And then I've this big bad boy here, bro. You can see it says that it's fucking 2 foot long. So I'm thinking of splitting this one in half. That's pain. Split that in half and maybe do 2 big wood spears out of it. But I'm planning on using this Kutzall today here, bro. Can use, but it's this here bad boy more I'm wanting to use, or bro. Not there. Not there. And the old fucking chainsaw. So we'll see what we get done today, bro. Right guys, here we go. So that was 8 minutes. That's what we've got. I'm going to continue on now. We'll move on to this bad boy. Kutzall. And everyone's looking these, check a link below with our Kutzall website. Get yourself a shaping dish. I'm going to use that now on this. Clean it up a bit. All that was done with a chainsaw. So keep her going, guys. There we go, guys. Hey, Jordy. That's that Kutzall shape in this, guys. Yes, bad boy. Amazing. As you see here now, give us a look at this. Love it. Absolutely love it. So here we go, guys. Give it a good going over. Let's give it a wee brush off here and see what we're at. As you can see, got loads of beard hairs done. You can check out the lovely spalting in it. It's going to be lovely. All the beard hairs there, they were just done using the shaping dish. You can see it was lucky there's a big hole in it there. That's just where the eye is, so. Oh good. I'm going to record the rest here. I'm going to finish it all off, sanding it, and then I'll change it over and do a wee video of me using a die grinder. That big bad boy Kutzall on it. I'll use that to do all the undercuts. And I'll maybe just give it a wee spray with mineral oil. See how it's going, guys, but that's what we're looking like now. I've got a wee friend here. Mate, I'm sorry, but your house is going to be a spirit. Have a go, guys. That's him complete. You can see there, I run over, burnt the eyes just with a wee burner. Burnt down the side of the nose, wee bits of beard and stuff, just to give it a wee bit of a shadow. And I sanded that up again a wee bit. And then just hit it with a wee bit of mineral oil. And it's just for myself. I'll stick it in the garden, keep it. I'm pretty pleased with it. Here's a wee walk around. So it's all good. On to the next one, guys. On to the next one.